Welcome back to Weakness Media. This is your boy Andy. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel for me.
It was early Christmas for some commuters in San Diego, Southern California, USA, on Friday, the 19th of November, as an armored truck spewed cash all over a freeway when one of its doors burst open. According to a report by CBS 8 News, the incident, which took place in Carlsbad at 9:15 a.m., brought traffic to a standstill as drivers stopped their cars on the freeway to pick up cash that was strewn all over the blacktop.
Everybody stopped on the freeway to get money off of the freeway. This is literally insane. This is insane! Oh my gosh!
Then we go to scissor that baby!
Yo, the entire freeway just shut down. They threw money. He's gone.
Wow.
He's gone, bro. The freeway is empty. Literally, the freeway was empty. There was cash all over the ground. Literally, look, we're the only people on the entire highway. Literally, this is insane.
Yes, so man, there is free money everywhere. What do you say? That's just easy. So I'm wondering, say, if Africa had no way see, and I say, it began a way this thing happened actually. We always like any punch that you want to move and cast squad that you big can. And hey, Kwasi, Mumbram Mumpafia bros from Brian Africa, they went to me. See, now it's kind of crying one day. And you know, I'm a car banner. I'm a car banner, and the gate about whom maybe now was kind of better. Now I didn't see what happened. Why doesn't go Christmas? If saying I can be a sea pie. Ah, Charlie, I reject it like almost says kind of cry. Not even say like and talk be any. If we be Africa here and as a Ghana here, show can there be obedient mom when you cry now? As can go baby out, Massa, Charlie. And you know, my mom pie because I'm on my shit. What I say, we be see. This is what was Chrome Yanoma. What I say, we say, we have only cast squad. Mumba for Batakalim, Bramfa in Brown. Yeah, so this is the updates I made, bro. Oh, Weakness Media. So, when you new one, I will subscribe. Yeah, grown. When you new one, I will subscribe. Yeah, sure subscribe for me. Nabeka family. No, nothing. So, turn on the notification for that. But every day, they will release new videos. So, I bet you can. But that's a P. Na me update the BC. Bye bye.